8:54 left in this first period. A quick 10-point lead by the visiting Red Devils.
I have a feeling every other season. Yeah, it could be. Those are the same.
Officials whistling for at the form. Lolly on front with McEwen with the pivot helmets. Pack is scored with the pivot helmet in front. Blockers in the middle, jammers in the rear. And this jam is underway to number 18, Trish Trash for the Devils. In pursuit, it's Panswell number 55. And Panswell with plenty of time left. You've got number Panswell and Meg Martinez. Two jammers out. 30 seconds left in jam time. Vicky in the back. Tricky, Vicky McEwen, blocking hard with 25 seconds left in jam time. Vicky blocking both. Here comes Schwab. Pack is almost in a standstill. 15 seconds left in jam time. 15. Pack is on a standstill. We've got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's over. No score. On the inside by Lolly. Here comes Vicky on the inside, trying to eliminate Lolly. 35 seconds left in jam time. 35. Lolly at the rear of the pack. Daniela Rodriguez trying to help. Here's Lolly coming up with 20 seconds left in jam time. 20. Lolly trying to get by McEwen.